Hi friends, good morning. Are you happy? Happy? Good. Okay, then smile. Smile. Very good. Do you read the unit Bruno the puppy? Do you read the unit Bruno the puppy? All of you read? Good. Are you complete last day's activities? Are you complete last day's activities? The conversation between Sachin and the balloon man and the word verb. Okay, good. Sachin asked the balloon man about the puppy Bruno. Sachin says, Uncle, did you see a puppy? Then balloon man replied, Was it your puppy? It burst one of my balloons. Sachin, sorry uncle, we will pay for it. Balloon man, it's all right. It's all right. I saw your puppy in front of the vegetable shop. Sachin says, Where is the vegetable shop? Where is the vegetable shop? Balloon man replied, Go straight, then turn left. Go straight, then turn left. Sachin says, Thank you, uncle. Balloon man replied, Welcome, dear. Sachin says, Thank you, uncle. Then our balloon man replied, Welcome, dear. Now I will show you some words. You should read these words. Okay. Good. Everyone reads? Very good. Where is Bruno now? Where is Bruno now? Bruno is in front of the vegetable shop. Bruno is in front of the vegetable shop. What will Bruno do in the vegetable shop? What will Bruno do in the vegetable shop? Bruno will jump about on the vegetable. Isn't it? Yes, Bruno will jump about on the vegetables. Name the vegetables you see in the shop. Name the vegetables you see in the shop. Pumpkin, potato, tomato, cabbage, cucumber, watermelon, banana, mango, beans, pineapple, brinjal, papaya, carrot, beetroot. See this picture. Who are selling the vegetables? Who are selling the vegetables? Can you say? Two ladies and a man are selling the vegetables. Two ladies and a man are selling the vegetables. Let's see what happened next. Now, I read the passage. All of you take your textbook and take the page number 15. Okay. Bruno ran into the vegetable shop. Hi, a ball. Bruno kicked at a potato. It went under a box. Then he jumped onto a pumpkin. It started rolling. High red balls. He climbed on the box of tomatoes. It fell down. Tomatoes scattered all over the floor. Hey, naughty dog, get off from here, the vegetable seller shouted and raised a stick. Bruno ran off. Once again, Bruno ran into the vegetable shop. Children, where is Bruno now? At the vegetable shop. Bruno ran into the vegetable shop. See this picture? Bruno is standing on a pumpkin. Isn't it? Yes. Bruno ran into the vegetable shop. Hi, a ball. A ball. Bruno kicked at a potato. Kicked. K-I-C-K-E-D. Kicked at a potato. Potato looks like a ball. Bruno kicked at a potato. It went under a box. It went under a box. Then Bruno jumped onto a pumpkin. Bruno jumped onto a pumpkin. Where is our Bruno now? Bruno is standing on a pumpkin. It started rolling. Pumpkin is rolling. Hey, red balls. Red balls. He climbed on the box of tomatoes. Bruno climbed on the box of tomatoes. Tomatoes looks like a ball. Tomatoes looks like a ball. Red balls. Isn't it? Yes. Bruno climbed on the box of tomatoes. It fell down. The box fell down. Tomatoes scattered all over the floor. Tomatoes scattered. Scattered. S-C-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. Scattered. All over the floor. Hey, naughty dog. Hey, naughty dog. Naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. Naughty dog. Hey, naughty dog. Get off from here. Get off from here. The vegetable seller shouted. The vegetable seller shouted, hey, naughty dog, get off from here. And raised a stick. And raised a stick. The vegetable seller shouted and raised a stick. Then he says, hey, naughty dog, get off from here. Our Bruno ran off. Children, like Bruno, what are the mischiefs done by your pet? What are the mischiefs done by your pet? Can you write? Okay. Will Sachin and his father find Bruno? Will Sachin and his father find Bruno? Maybe. Sachin and his father find Bruno. Okay, my dears. Your today's activities are following. Answer the following questions. First one, what are the mischiefs done by your pet? What are the mischiefs done by your pet? Second one, will Sachin and his father find Bruno? Will Sachin and his father find Bruno? Third one, name the vegetables you see in the vegetable shop. Name the vegetables you see in the vegetable shop. Your second activity is textbook activity 7. Textbook activity 7, page number 25. Bruno went to the vegetable shop. Name the vegetables Bruno saw there. Some clues are given below. Its color is orange. Rabbits like it. It is sweet. Okay. Second one, it's round. It's big. It looks like a football. It's round. It's big. It looks like a football. Write this vegetable's name. Then, draw a vegetable you like. Name it and write a few sentences about it. Draw a vegetable you like. Name it and write a few sentences about it. Okay. Your third activity. The following new words are write down on your English notebook 5 times each. The words are kicked, climbed, scattered, naughty, shouted, raised. Once again, kicked, climbed, scattered, naughty, shouted, raised. Okay, dears, today's English class is winding up. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and goodbye until you see in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.